lahat tayo dito mahalaga. No, the most important people here is all of us as an individual. And so wala akong prepared speech. Sabi, mag-prepare ka ng speech. Hindi ako nag-prepare ng speech parang si Duterte. Mga ka-eksyonan, ano po, ang lugar na to, ha? I'm a voice artist for almost 20 years now. Alam nyo, this is my 20th year in the voice acting industry. I started at the age of 16. I became the youngest broadcaster of DZMM when I was 16. I have my own radio show on DZMM. And doon ako nagsimula talaga. And because of that, I've been to more than 20 siguro radio stations, but not as a DJ just or a broadcaster, but I created a lot of broadcasters. Actually, I invited most of them. Nasa radyo sila ngayon. But yeah, most of the DJs sa IFM, Love Radio, Yes FM, mga bata yan, naging students ko. By the way, I would like to thank, of course, my partner here. Kung hindi po dahil sa taong ito, hindi po magiging, kumbaga hindi matutupad ang pangarap ko 20 years ago. Let's all welcome, of course, my partner, JC Garcia. Ayan. He was my former student sa voice acting workshop ko. I have my own school, the Philippine Center for Voice Acting, and we have more than 1,500 graduates. 3 years ago, bro, no? When I talked... Ha?
Tama, 2013.
Yan, 2013. I've seen yung kumbaga yung potential ng taong ito. He was working with call center noon. And he is doing hosting on the side. Sabi ko, alam mo bro, I have this dream that one day, magkakaroon ng isang lugar o isang venue ng mga host, voiceover artist, DJ, broadcaster, anyone who uses the microphone to share their skills and talent.